Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to effectively use the save and save as features in Word. Let's talk about saving your hard work in Word. It's crucial to make sure your document safe and sound, especially after all that effort you put in. So first, let's use the save feature. When you're working on a document and you want to save your changes, simply click on the little floppy disk icon at the top left corner or press Ctrl plus S on your keyboard. So here is the save button. Just click that one. So this is the first time I will save this document. So the location where I want to save it is showing on my end. But if you have an existing file and you click save, then it will update the existing file with your changes. It's like hitting the update button, and then your document remains in the same location with the changes you've made. So let's cancel this one. So now let's say you want to create a new version of your document while keeping the original intact. That's where Save As comes in. Again, go to the file and click on Save As. Here, File tab and click on Save As. This time, you get to choose a new name and location for your document. It's like making a copy. You can even choose a different file format if needed. So remember, Save is for when you're working on an existing document, and Save As is for creating a new version or saving your work in a different location. And that's it. You now know how to use save and save as features in Word. It's all about protecting your work and staying organized. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use save and save as in Word. See you on my next video.